Hey guys, what's up? It's Julia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to be filming this video because, as you all know, I'm a campus rep for VS Pink, and today they've decided to send me all of their favorite products from their holiday collection to show you all. This stuff is so perfect for holiday gifts if you're struggling what to get your cousins, your mom, your sister, your best friends, or honestly yourself, because treat yourself. Also, I'm going to link all of these products down in the description so you guys can go ahead and check them out. So I have so many gifts to show with you all. I'm just going to start with this bag. So the first things that they sent me I'm obsessed with are these sports bras from Pink. It's so adorable. It has the pink, very subtle, but it has the pink logo across the band, and I love bands like that. And then the back has this sort of mesh cutout, so if you want to wear a cute shirt you can show off the backing of that. The second sports bra that I got, I am in love with this one. This is the most comfortable thing I have worn, like hands down. It is this sports bra. It's just very basic, which I really like. I also love the color, and it honestly supports you so well, and the material is so comfy. It's perfect for just a day where you want to be comfy going to class. The next items that I have are these holiday undies, and I am obsessed with all of Pink's underwear. I own so many of them just because they are so comfy but so cute. Their holiday ones are... The amount of times that I'm going to say so cute in this video is probably painful. First ones are these, and these are a lacy thong, and on the side in glitter they say sorta nice. The next ones I have are a bikini fit, and they're literally the softest things in the world, and they have snowflakes all over them. Next I have these thongs with these sort of metallic-y snowflakes on them. Okay, can we talk about how cute these board shorts are? They say I kissed Santa on the butt, and then they have the pink waistband around them. And then lastly for underwear I have these. They're very neutral, comfy in the front with a mesh sort of cutout, and then in the back they say world's greatest rapper. I can't. Next item that I'm going to show you all is something that I have been wanting for so long. When they sent it to me, I screamed. Guys, I love this so much. It is their new Sherpas. They are possibly the softest things that I have ever held in my hands. Like, I can't even begin to describe to you all how soft these things are. This one is a maroon color. I feel like you could never have enough sweatshirts, so this is definitely a perfect gift for pretty much anyone. I got two sleeve tops and then sleeve bottoms to match with them. The first one is this. They're very soft sweater materials, but it's also pretty thin in case you get hot when you sleep. And it has a gold dog right here, and then down the side it has pink and the dog going down it. These are absolutely adorable and so comfortable to sleep in. The second one, I love this so much. It has the pink dog all over it, and then it has pink right across it, and it's also the same super soft sweater material. And then the joggers that come with it are the same material. It's like a very thin sweater material. They have a stripe down the side. The next product that I have is a new high waist skinny jogger. I already have two pairs of these because I'm loving them so much. I'm such a fan of joggers, and these are, I'm so over the moon about these because they have the pink logo kind of coming out of them, which in my opinion looks so great if you want to wear like a little bit of a crop top with it. And then these are just gray, and they get skinnier towards the bottom because they're a jogger. And then next I have this Sherpa lined campus pullover, and this is so perfect for winter because it has this plaid hoodie to go with it. I think it just adds such a holiday vibe to it. Not only that, but it is also Sherpa lined. The hood is. It is so warm. And then it's just this plain gray sweatshirt, and I love that these strings have pink written on them. And the last product I have to show you all is this t-shirt. I love it. It's just a pocket tee, but it's also camo and says pink across it. And then it has this cute pocket with the dog on it, and I love this for just my comfier days when I just want to wear a t-shirt and leggings. So those are all the products that I have to show you all today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and go ahead and subscribe if you like what you see, and I'll talk to you all next time.